Okay, so just got done watching Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2022 for the first time, and I must say, what the? What's up? What's happening? Welcome to Maverick Watches. Of course, Maverick got some heat for us today. We are gonna watch the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I don't really know too much about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre series. I'm not even gonna hold you. I like the first one a lot, 1974. That was cool. I like the 2003 remake. That was cool. Besides that, I didn't really get into it too much, man. I don't know. I'm definitely a horror fan. Definitely a horror fan. But Texas Chainsaw Massacre never really grabbed me. Like, I don't know. But today, we about to check it out and see what's going on with it. It's got a lot of buzz going on right now. I'm hearing that they brought the character back from the first movie. She's back in this one. This movie is supposed to be like a sequel to the first one. So they said skip all the movies in between. You know what I'm saying? That's the new trend now, of course, with the new sequels going on. I'm excited to see what all the hype is about. Hope y'all are. Hope they do something new. Because the last couple was kind of. Oh, and don't forget to put your thoughts and comments down below. Now let's get to it. Legendary. See what you got for me. Okay. Main character or open and kill?
She must have looked for that maniac for more than 30, 40 years.
So she found him.
No.
You don't actually need a corkscrew for champagne. But come on, we gotta get the bus.
Where y'all headed, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, actually, I do mind you asking. All right, the chainsaw fodder arrives, all grouped up together.
Our grandmother was actually from around here. You know,
What's going on with them two? Yo? They clearly got some type beef going on.
Are you serious?
newsflash, we're in deep Texas.
Yeah. You didn't see that before, my brother? Is that a person?
Couldn't reach it.
Oh shit. Well, what are we gonna do?
Let's just wait for the contract.
What are you doing in our house? Baby, I'm fine. I'm all right.
Yeah. You good? I'm just gonna leave now.
Let's talk about it outside. Come on, let's go.
Take it easy.
I barely touched you.
I'll be back as soon as I can.
Okay. Please just make sure she's all right.
What? She's leaving? No. You gonna miss all the killing.
How's she doing?
Not good, bro. Hey, pull over right quick, yo, so I can get from back here. You grabbed me? Oh! Oh! Hey, check this out.
Damn.
Damn.
Yeah, like you so concerned, you was just trying to kick her out the house. My boy making her face? Man, people, man, make a move.
Yeah, I'm just not really feeling well. Okay. Just the heat, you know.
You take the car, I'll take the bus.
Wait, what the?
Intercepted. Richard Sherman.
Show me the deed to that house. You'll have him back. I'll be in the shop.
Uppercut, uppercut. Macca, 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 macca.
Can you just relax for a second?
I'll never relax until I'm sure we're on the right side of this.
I'm coming with. Please, can you just do what I tell you?
Why do I stare with
I'm getting tired of curly head, man. Ain't wiping nothing off her hands. Yes, sir. Get this one last lick of motivation if I make moves. Creepy house ain't complete without the creaky boards now.
Dante?
That's death. Hello. Shawty trying to pull the Laurie Strode. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work. Y'all up carrying on to my city? I ain't having it. My boy about to pull the John Wick. You know, they start going in the wall to get something out. It's been in that wall for a reason. He's still alive. He ain't hung him up on the meat rack yet? Meat hook?
Hey, man. You okay?
He's not okay. Oh! Cupid! He said, my name is Gallagher. Your head is a watermelon. Let me get one more look at the pick for motivation again. Bro, I'm jumping over the railing. I ain't even messing with the stairs. I'm hopping straight over. Ugh. Yo! Yo! You?
Don't open the... Dude, where are you going?
To get murdered? I won't be right back. Let me just move this piece of leg out of the way. Shawty can't catch a break. What?
What are you doing? Drive, please go!
50 years I've been waiting for this night. Just to see him again.
Bro, we don't care about this story right now, bro. You don't drive.
No, no. No, please, please, no! Please, help! No, no!
So you gonna tell me to get in the car, lock me in the back, so you can go try to fight this man who just slaughtered everybody I just brought to this town? Shoot! What are you doing?
Say my name.
Shoot this man!
Remember me now? I'm the one who got away, and I'm here to make sure you don't.
Big bro, can move! I'm up out of here! Bro, I don't care nothing about that knife. Take this! Bro, ain't no way, bro. Here we go. It's the final showdown. My boy nice with the tools now. Chainsaw uppercut. Woo. Don't let him just drown. Go finish the job. What are you doing? It ain't over. I'm back. Bruh. Hey, yo, that was wild. Let's talk about it. Okay, so just got done watching Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2022 for the first time. And I must say, what the? Yo. What? That was a pretty good movie. That was good. That was good. That it was way better than I thought it was gonna be. I was like actually super prepared to be let down. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was prepared to be let down. I was, but it was good. It came through. It came through. It did the job. All the characters were good. All the kills were good. All the fake outs were good, and everybody was the right amount of stupid. Like, they didn't waste no time getting to the kills, did they? Like, what was 10 minutes, 15 maybe in, they already laying people down, and like we here. The move, we not about to introduce no characters, no background stories. We not here for all that. Leatherface is back, and he's here to go to work, basically. For a sequel, they didn't really like lay on too thick that it was a sequel, to be honest. You know, they had the little part in the front where, you know, the little flashback on you know what I'm saying, like a news channel, but that was pretty much it. Like, and the girl, but I mean, she didn't do much but wait 50 years and get murdered, you know what I'm saying, get lifted in the air. And as with tradition with Texas Chainsaw movies, I actually thought them sheriffs was gonna be in on it somehow in some capacity later on in the movie. You find out one of them was working with Leatherface the whole time, and maybe the other one didn't know some kind of new trick. But no, they died too. Curly head was getting on my nerves. I'm sorry, I can't remember the girl's name right now, but she was getting on my nerves. She was being rude to everybody from the jump. Clearly something was wrong with her sister that was bothering her, and she didn't want to talk it out. Y'all wait till y'all get out here in some abandoned backlot to try to hash out some issue y'all got going on. That's not helping nobody right now. I'm surprised she lasted that long. I thought she was about to make it to the credits. So good for Leatherface. The little sis was cool. I thought she was gonna be real reserved, I guess you want to call it, for like most of the movie, but she opened up pretty early too. You know what I'm saying? Just started hanging out with old buddy, smoking cigarettes with him. They got the wife and the husband out of here immediately. I'm like, well, okay, they killed one. The other one gotta last at least for 2-3 kills. No, you next, bro. You next. Yeah. I thought the final girl from the original movie was the perfect amount of useless. Showed up, kind of helped, but got dealt with. Leatherface was great. He know how to work some weapons. You know what I'm saying? He start flinging them at people, get nice with them. So yeah, that was a good movie, man. I enjoyed myself. I would recommend it. I would definitely probably watch it again. I'd definitely give it another watch through. That was cool. So for my rating, I'm gonna get that thing about a 7.5. I'm gonna get that thing a 7.5. Cause you know, ain't no real story there, but let's be honest, who's here for the story? They got straight to the action, like fast. That was good. Movie ain't too long, so it wasn't really no parts that was dragging through, so that was good. I did feel like some parts were a little rushed through. They could have, like, you know what I'm saying, showed a little more. So I feel like that's a solid rating. I want to thank y'all for staying this long, joining the conversation, liking the video. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. There will be a next time. I'm out.